Hi all, good morning. It's nice to work with you again. This time we are going to start with a new week and this time we are going to work with this topic, which is time zone. Do you want to learn what it is about? Do you have any ideas what it's about? And as you can see, this is the words and the word is rotating. And we are going to find out why we have different times all around the world. Let's start on page number 72. Are you ready to start? Okay, let's go. Now, look at this. It's Happy New Year. And we all ask ourselves, why do we celebrate New Year at different times? Why? Because they are different times. Look, over here, they are already celebrating Happy New Year. But look at this. It is still 5 more minutes, right? Do you see? It's 10 more minutes. It's different. And as you can see here, they are also counting down. 2, 1, and then 0, and then they celebrate Happy New Year. Do you see that's the difference? There are different times in different countries. For the first one, it's Happy New Year. The second one, they are still waiting for 10 more minutes. And in this case, they are counting down. Do you see? ¿Por qué celebramos el Año Nuevo en diferentes tiempos? As you can see, they are celebrating Happy New Year. Ya celebran. Aquí están esperando 10 minutes. Esperan 10 minutos. Y aquí están con la cuenta regresiva. Let's read this. In New Zealand, they celebrated first. En Nueva Zelanda, ellos celebran primero. Repeat after me. In New Zealand, they celebrated first. It's your turn. Good. Then they celebrated in Europe. Now repeat you. And finally in Latin America. It's your turn. There is a time difference between countries. It's your turn. Good. Let's see the difference. It's different here. Diferente acá. Ya están celebrando. It's different here because they are 10 minutes. 5, 10. And it's different here because they are counting down. La cuenta regresiva. Now let's see. Look at this. This is the word, and the word rotates. Look, it's rotating, and you can repeat after me. The word rotates. Good. It is day in some countries. Is the día. It is day. Look at this. This is the sun. These are the sunlights in some countries, and it is night in other countries. Look at this. This is night. When the world rotates, cuando el mundo rota, look, it's day. Look at this. This is the sun. And in other countries, do you see South America here? It's night. That's why it has different times. The world rotates. Repeat after me. The world rotates. Good. Let's continue. Now, let me explain this to you. Time is separated by time zones. El tiempo es separado por usos horarios. Look at this. Do you see these lines? They are time zones. Many lines. 1 line, 2 lines, 3, 4. Many lines. and each one of them has 15 degrees of distance. Cada uno de ellos tiene 15 grados de distancia. From here to here, 15, 15, 15, which means a difference of 1 hour, lo cual significa una diferencia de una hora. 15 degrees equals 1 hour. Let's see. Do you see? Over here is 15 degrees. Over here we have other 15 degrees. Here 15 degrees, that means 1 hour difference. Over here, do you see these are different continents? This is Africa, and time is different here, and time is different in South America, and it's different to here in North America. All continents have different times. Do you see? 15 degrees, that's 1 hour difference. Now look at this. This is a compass. A compass, repeats, a compass. Do you see? This is the north, south, east, and west. Now, as you can see, there are different clocks. Over here, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and look at this, it's 8:30, it's half an hour. Do you remember? Now let's see. Over here, there is an airplane. Do you see? And it says it is 1 hour earlier than in the west. And now, let's see. Oh, sorry. I'm going to make this word. Sorry. It's 1 hour earlier. Es una hora más. Earlier. Look at the meaning. Earlier. Repeat. Earlier. And let's repeat later. Right? Now, travel is this verb. And this airplane travels and it's 1 hour later. 4, 5, 6, 1 hour earlier if we go from this side to this side. But if we go from this side to this side, it's 1 hour earlier. 7, 6, 5, 4, earlier. Do you see? And to the other side is the opposites, later. And do you see this is the airplane? Now let's see. Let's continue now with additions. This time we are going to see addition with carrying. Sumas con llevadas. Look at this. This number is 19 plus 42. Let's see. We have to divide this in columns. Ones column. This is the ones column. And the tens column. These are the tens column. Number 1, first step. First add the ones column. This is the ones. 9, I separate it, right? 9 plus 2 equals 11. Then 1 is here, and 11 can be here. It has to come here to the tens column. Do you see? 1 is here and 1 is here. This is 11. This is the ones column. Now, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the addition is 61. Now let's continue with the next one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. But 0 comes here. And then 1 has to be here in the tens column. Now let's add this. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the result or the addition or the sum is 50. Do you see? I carry this one. I carry 1. I carry 1. 9 plus 2 equals 11. I carry 1, so 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4 equals 61. Now let's continue. inches and centimeters. Look at this. This ruler is in inches. Esta regla está con pulgadas, inches. Y aquí abajo son los centímetros. Las pulgadas, ¿sí?, son más grandes que los centímetros. Inches are longer than centimeters. Do you see? It's 2 centimeters, but it's 1 inch. So inches are longer, son más largas, son más grandes. They are bigger. Now look at this. It has inches and it has centimeters. You see centimeters and inches. Let's not forget, inches are longer, are bigger than centimeters. Las pulgadas son más grandes que los centímetros. Look at this, and these are half inches. Half, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 2.5 inches, 3.5 inches, and 4.5 inches. Now, let's measure this Subway sandwich. How many centimeters in an inch? ¿Cuántos centímetros en una pulgada? 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Una pulgada es igual a 2.54 centímetros, which means that the inch is bigger, lo que significa que la pulgada es más grande. How many inches are there in this Subway sandwich? Look at this. It starts here and it finishes here. So 4.5 inches. Let's go. Now, let's see the opposite. Well, not the opposite, but centimeters. Veamos en centímetros. How many centimeters are there in this Subway sandwich? And as you can see, 0 and 1143 centimeters. Now, let's do our activities on our arithmetic books on pages 72, 73, and 74. Good luck, kids. I love you so much. See you soon.